IVM.
Did you know that your energy intake shouldn't just be from carbs? It should also include good fats and proteins. And this is something that the Whole Truth has taken to heart in order to provide you with a balanced breakfast option called the Perfect Breakfast. This is a range of delicious muesli that comes in 3 flavors: nuts, fruits and seeds, quinoa choco crunch, and almond choco crunch. When you eat this muesli, only 50% of your energy comes from carbs. The rest is from all natural good fats and proteins. Just visit thewholetruthfoods.com and use the coupon code HABIT on checkout to get an awesome 20% discount. Hello and welcome to the Habit Coach Podcast, the bite-sized podcast filled with quick and easy actionable habits. Remember, great habits create that awesome life. I am Ashdin Doctor, your habit coach. And today's fun fact of the day has to do with waking up. Did you know that when you wake up in the mornings, you almost instantly forget about 50% of what you were dreaming? There are days when you wake up and vividly remember everything that happened to you in your dream. The people you met, the fights you had, and the way in which you were abruptly woken up. My father used to tell me stories about how he would hear a bell ringing in his sleep. And when he would then suddenly wake up, it would actually be the milkman ringing the bell. These dreams had the real world mixed into the dream world. And some of us might actually feel that the dream world is the real world and the waking world is an illusion. However way you want to look at it, one thing is for certain: we just don't know enough about dreams. They remain a mystery to us. Today I want to talk about what happens the instant we wake up and forget our dreams. When we wake up in the mornings, have you noticed what your first few thoughts are? Within the first 5 minutes of waking up, you relive all the events of the day that went past. You think about the fight you had with your parents. You remember the work that you had left incomplete. You remember how you felt yesterday, and then you bring those feelings and emotions into the new day. You wake up and immediately start to make today a reflection of yesterday. If we make every day a reflection of the day before, it is no wonder we stay stuck in the same spot. We cannot move forwards because we are reliving the day before. If you want to grow for the better, make changes in your life that you have to start creating a future for, not reliving the past. How many of us use the words, same shit, different day, or same old, or the usual? These are all signs that you are reliving the previous day. In fact, I will do a whole podcast on this later. It's called the Groundhog Day effect, where we relive the day over and over and over again. However, today, I want to just focus on what we do in the first 5 minutes of the day. I want you to catch yourself thinking about all that happened yesterday. I want you to shoo it out of your mind and then replace it with something that you're going to do that is new and different. I like following a thought routine that looks like this. I wake up, I check the time, and I say to myself, today is going to be a great day. Then I stretch and think of 2 things that I'm looking forward to doing today. It could be watching the last episode of a series or meeting a friend. I then think about 2 important tasks that I need to complete today. When I do this, I create a new day, a day of my choosing, not dependent on the events of the past. I do not bother with yesterday's arguments. As your habit coach, I want you to realize that your thoughts are also your habits. The way you think is also a habit. If you want to change the way you think and approach the world, you have to change your current habit of thinking. This is one great way of rewiring your thinking for the better. So your simple habit starts by waking up and creating a structure to what you will think about in the first 5 minutes. You can start by exclaiming what you're going to do today or what today is going to be like. Make it something nice, make it something positive. You can then plan it out, add fun, interesting things to it. Make each day unique and beautiful. Let go of yesterday. There is nothing more you can do for it. So start these habits and share with us your progress using the hashtag #TheHabitCoach. If you like this podcast, don't forget to check out other interesting podcasts on the IVM network. You can listen to us on the IVM Podcast app or ivmpodcast.com. You can also follow us on social media. We are at IVM Podcasts on Twitter and Instagram. If you want to reach out to me, I am Ashtin Doc on Twitter and Instagram. You can find lots more information on my website, awesome180.com, or check out different content on my YouTube channel called AWESOME180. That's Awesome180.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcast on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank our sponsors on the network this week, Siet Tires and the Whole Truth Foods. We really appreciate the support. So this week, Tune Into This Round is on me with Gauri Devidayal. She invited Sonal Holland, India's only master of wine, and they discussed the goodness and business of wine, the pros and cons of being women in the hospitality business, and motherhood. On The Traveling Professor, Siddharth Deshmukh looks at evolution of search and wonders how voice search might change things yet again. On Advertising is Dead, Varun Dugirala featured Anirudh Singla of Pepper Content. He shared his perspective on the term content and how he sees it going forward. On Storytellers and Storysellers, Vinny spoke to Ayushman Sinha, head of Represent, a music talent management agency. He spoke about life as a manager and about nurturing new talent and paving a progressive career path for them. On Cyrus Says, we had entrepreneur, businesswoman, and Ruckus Avenue radio host Alexandra Masur. They discussed ethnicity, life as Desi American, Seema Auntie's matchmaking show, and a lot of other fun stuff. Also, IVM has an hour every Sunday on the Ruckus Avenue Radio Network, a US-based radio station that caters to the South Asian community. It's available on Dash Radio, and you can catch the episodes on the IVM Likes feed every Monday. On The Habit Coach with Ashtin Doctor, Ashtin asks us to commit to sleep and prioritize it over every party, work deadline, or binge watch session, as it is a crucial time when the body slows down for maintenance and recovery. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
पेश खिदमत है आपकी शान में हमारे अंजुमन से. Hi, I am Sadaf.
And I'm Arshit. खाने का इतिहास, economics, policy, psychology, सब है मेन्यू पे.
Only on the Nankari podcast every Wednesday, सिर्फ IVM podcast ऐप या वेबसाइट पर, या फिर जहां से भी आप अपने पॉडकास्ट सुनते हो.